Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today's Thursday, December 2nd, 2021. It is 2:00 and 44 seconds, p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, smoking while pregnant. So let's hop to it here. Researchers have found smoking while pregnant linked to smaller babies and future pregnancies. Date November 29, 2021. Source, University of Southampton. The findings showed that women who smoked at the start of their first pregnancy were more likely to have a baby born smaller than expected in their second pregnancy compared to non-smokers. And this was even the case when they reported quitting by the start of their second pregnancy. The biological relationship between smoking during pregnancy and baby's birth weight from the same pregnancy is well established. However, until now, there has been limited evidence on the impact of maternal smoking on following pregnancies. And in this study, the researchers found that for women who did not smoke at the start of either pregnancy, there were no extra risk of a small gestational age baby in the second pregnancy compared to non-smokers, even if they smoked between pregnancies. A mother who smoked 10 or more cigarettes a day at the start of both of her first two pregnancies had the highest odds of small gestational birth. It is important to encourage women to quit smoking before pregnancy and to not resume smoking after the baby is born. Resources that support mothers to quit and maintain smoking cessation are needed. The women who smoke between pregnancies can reduce the risk of having a smaller gestational baby by stopping smoking before the start of their next pregnancy. The period between pregnancies is when most mothers have close contact with health and care professionals and may require support to stop smoking. The research team studied data between 2003 and 2018 for nearly 17,000 mothers who received antenatal care for their first two pregnancies. The study covered women who lived in Southampton and the surrounding parts of Hampshire. It is hoped that these findings and future research will encourage healthcare professionals and commissioners to provide better support to women before and between pregnancies, helping them to quit smoking, leading to better health for both mothers and children. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.